Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to export your artwork in high quality and share it like a pro across social platforms, portfolios, and more. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is to go to the StarryAI.com or open it in your mobile devices. And then here you can navigate to your creations from your dashboard. Tap or click the artwork you want to export. Then here you can now download in high quality. Just click download or save button. This is usually the bottom or top right corner of your screen. And here you can also choose your full resolution for the best quality. Pro tip: the Stereo AI generates images in HD, ideal for print and social media. And then here you can optimize the different platforms. Use an image editor like Canva, Photoshop, or Figma to resize and add finishing touches. Here are the examples of Instagram platforms. You can use Instagram ratio for square 1:1 or portrait 4:5, for TikTok and Reels, for Pinterest, for portfolio, and more. And here you can add a metadata for copyright, but this is optional. You can use like Photopeia or EXIF tool to embed your name, copyright, or brand. Then after that, you can now share strategically. And here, that's how you export and share your Stereo AI masterpiece like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.